it's probably going to come as no surprise to you that I am going to pick Joscho Stephan solo on this, because it's so much more. There's so much more bebop influence in it, and there's so much more gypsy jazz influence in it. My ear always gravitates towards bop vocabulary and gypsy jazz style vocabulary, and there's just some fabulous lines in there that he plays. It's also worth noting that fast triplet picking pattern that he plays is absolutely absurd. Just every time I hear that, I'm like, how are you doing that? How can you pull that off so consistently? Really, really wonderful solo. We'll absolutely be doing more of Joscho's playing on the channel, because I love his playing. And we'll come back to Tommy Emmanuel. I think this is maybe a little bit of a slightly unfair one, because I think a tune like this is Stephan's comfort zone, whereas Tommy's like, this isn't his genre. He can just play it. He can play the genre, but I don't think this is where he, sits his hat as a player. So it is great and very fun to get to hear somebody who doesn't live in that kind of sound playing it, because he does a great job playing over it. But yeah, Joscho Stephan's licks, some of them are just ridiculous. Anyway, I do hope you enjoyed that. Please do hit the subscribe button, share the video with your friends, and I will see you for another video tomorrow. Laters.